About this item, new generation A and lamp wick inside bare bulb make it more illustrious and clear enough with the same original functioning. Optimized burner design allows any burn-in position. Moreover, they show a very stable light output, as the high luminance decreases only slightly over the entire lifetime, between 2500 and 5000 H. Compatible models, fit for Epson ELPLP50/V13H010L50 Powerlite 825 825 plus 826W 826W plus 8484 plus 8585 plus, EB824 824 H825 825 H826W 826W H8484 E84 H84 He84 I85 85 HD290, EMP 825, EMP84, EMP84 He, H294B, H295A, H296A, H297A, H353A, H353B, H353C, H354A, H354C, H355B, H355C, H356C, H357C, H370C, H295B, H297B. Projector Remorse is the sole designated distributor of EWO'S projector lamps and is responsible for all product descriptions and 180 days warranty with 30 days refund testing before delivery. Excellent return service with no any condition within 12 hours feedback. See more product details in the description.